Are you tired of being tired? Are you tired of being stuck in the same situation, no motivation, or simply just feeling drained? Well, baby, you can call me your fairy godmother because I'm here to help you reset your life in 2021. Welcome back. If you are new, hey, welcome. On here we talk everything inspirational, girl talks, advice, and relationships. So if that sounds like something that you are interested in, then do us both a favor. Subscribe and turn on your post notification bell. Too easy. So did you guys enjoy my little skit that I did at the beginning of this video? I know you did. I know you did. I know you did. I'm gonna give you 6 tips on how you can literally improve or reset your entire life in 2021. Roll the clip. First tip is to start your day with a full-on dedicated prayer to God. Yes, and it doesn't matter whether you're spiritual or spiritual not, you better get spiritual. You see what's going on in the world today? Okay, so start your day with a dedicated prayer to God. Ask Him to lead and guide your day. And what you'll notice is when you do this, you'll begin to feel more satisfied, you'll begin to feel more fulfilled and content throughout your day. Wake up early, show up for God, and He will indeed show up for you. Here's a scripture that I found that I think connected the both together, and I really like it a lot. It's Proverbs 8 verse 17. It goes like this: I love them that loves me, and those that seek me early shall find me. And I've been doing this for the longest. Prayer is always a typical routine in my morning. As soon as I wake up, I always try to make sure that I pray. And what I notice with myself, say for example, I'm in a hurry or I'm in a hurry for schoolwork or whatever, if I don't pray before I start my day, I'm in the worst mood. I am grumpy, everything irritates me, or my energy or my vibration is so low compared to when I pray before I start my entire day. I'm the happiest person. My energy is always so high, I'm always so bubbly, I'm in a good mood, I'm in a good spirit. Everything just feels great when you start your day with a morning prayer. So that's why I wanted to share that tip with you, because I've seen so many YouTube videos with the same exact topic, but not one of them that I've watched mention about praying. I'm like, how could you want to reset your life or improve your life but not want to involve God in your life? And this can be just, you might disagree or agree, or it doesn't matter, but that's just my opinion. So I really hope you guys try it if you haven't been doing it already. So, and tell me how it works for you. Come back and go to the comment section and tell me how it works for you. So moving on to tip number 2. My tip number 2 is to command and declare your days. So what my very good friend, I call her my little sister, I love her so much. So what we both not really came up with, but what we both started to do is we got a whole bunch of flashcards, different colors, and we took 7 of those cards, 1 for each day, and we would write self-affirmations on it, we would write Bible verses on it, or any positive quotes. And what we would do is for each day of the week, we would take one of those flashcards and we would repeat what's on it. And we would declare it and use those flashcards, what's on it, to command our days. And what I have noticed for myself is one of the flashcards I had written, today's gonna be an amazing day. Everything good is coming my way. And throughout my day, I'll try to repeat this in my mind, or sometimes I'll say it under my breath, you know. And by the end of the day, I really noticed that it was really an amazing day. And I really felt that everything good was coming my way because everything throughout the day was really working out in my favor. So that's also one of the tips that I want to show you guys, or you might heard it before, but have you literally tried to apply it? If not, you can start applying that tip, because I can literally tell you it will really help to reset or improve your life. So moving on to tip number 3, spend some quality time alone, just by yourself. Spend some alone time by yourself. Being alone or spending time alone by yourself is truly great for your self-development. It allows you to get to know yourself, who you really are, what you really like, what you really want or desire in life. And don't take this lightly, because there are so many people that really and truly don't know who they really are. They'll just mimic everybody they're around. They don't know what they want in life, and things like this are very hard for them because they don't spend enough time alone to figure out these things. And even if they do spend time alone, they're always on their phones or on social media. You see? So start spending some alone time to really get to know yourself, who you really are and what you really like as a person. Trust me, this is very, very good for mental health and everything of that sort. So start spending time alone. Moving on to tip number 4. Write down 3 things every single day that you are grateful for. And I think what this does is that it helps us to see how good we have it sometimes. It helps us to feel more positive emotions to our own lives sometimes, you know. It helps us see how really good we have it, and our life just really isn't that bad. So start learning how to write down things that you are grateful for. Instead of always focusing on the things that are going wrong in your life, focus on the things that you are truly grateful for. Moving on to tip number 5. My tip number 5 is to set realistic monthly, weekly, and even daily goals. Setting goals helps you to organize your time and your resources so that you can make the most out of your life. They give you focus, they help you to determine what you want in life, and they also help to guide you to achieve them even more. It's like a map that leads you to a destination. There are so many great ways to reset your life, but I really do think that implementing how to set goals can really get you there. But not least, our 6th and final tip is to do what makes you happy. Do the things that makes you feel happy. Do the things that makes you feel even more you. Don't hold back or cut yourself short because of people's judgment or their approval. Do whatever sets your soul on fire. Do whatever makes your soul glad. Guys, there are so many more tips on how you can improve your life, reset your life, better your life. I think they all pretty much mean the same thing. But these are just a few that I've been using personally that have really been helping me along my journey. And I'm telling you, I haven't always been like this. Trust me, I wasn't always like this. I mean, my mentality, the way I think, the way I feel. So if these things has helped me to be a much better person, I really do think that they can help you as well. If you did enjoy this video, please give me a huge thumbs up. Share this video with your cousin, with your sister, with your auntie, with your grandma, with your mother. Everybody. So share this video, comment down below, tell me which tip that you'll be using in this video, or which tip that you really liked the most, or which tip that you wish that I elaborated more on. It's okay. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I will indeed see you guys in my next video. Bye.